Hello, this is the Legal Lock Picker, and today I'm gonna show you and go over my very first lock, that was not a clear see-through acrylic lock, and I'm gonna show you why this is my favorite lock to hate, and not only my favorite lock to hate, but as far as I can tell from the videos that I've seen, that this lock has so many flaws in it that it's almost comical. So let's uh, let's dive right in. It is the Master Lock solid brass padlock, or at least that's what they say it is. It's the number 141 D covered solid body padlock. Features 40 millimeter wide body, 21 millimeter long, and made of hardened steel. And I think I'll skip most of the item description and go right to precision pin tumbler mechanisms for pick resistance. Now I don't know how pick resistant this is, so just from personal experience, it is not very pick resistant. But this was my first lock, and because it was my first lock, it will always, always have a special place in my heart and then in the dumpster. So you can see how it opens. It's nothing special. Um, but for my first lock, it took such a long time to open this because I did what everybody else did. I stuck this in here. Of course, I had it in like this, so I actually had it in the wrong way, and you know, so I had that in the wrong way, and I would stick a pick in, and I would stick it in and just stab it, and hope that it would get unlocked, and then I think one of the coolest things that we've got available to our generation and generations to come is the YouTube do-it-yourself attitude, that you can go online and search and you can become skilled at something that you might have otherwise not been skilled at. And that is really important because that's actually, for the most part, how I got into this. So that was just a cool story about this. I'm gonna use the bottom of the keyway tension here. I'm just gonna open it. I think I'm gonna have a little fun with it. So I'm gonna use a Peterson hook. It's nothing special. In fact, I wouldn't normally use it for this type of lock, but I just thought it was really cool, especially for my first lock. So it depends. Everybody has their own first lock, and they did so. So it's already open. But if you follow, I'm not sure if Lock Noob did one himself, but I do know that Lockpicking Lawyer did one where he just brutalized this lock. I mean, I'm not sure what he didn't do to destroy it and what he did enough with it. So I will leave a link to Lockpicking Lawyer below and Lock Noob, so you can go check those out yourself. But if you are getting this lock for security, I would suggest that you not do that. Okay, so you see that it can be opened with sorry, I'm just getting used to the camera stuff, so you're gonna have to be patient. I did it with the hook, and now I'm using I'm gonna use this half diamond here. I don't even think I have to zip it open. I'm pretty sure that I can just stick it in there and it'll open. Now, of course, as soon as you go to do it on your recording device, it never works. So let me try to get a better position on it. Okay, there you go. Alright, so it opened. So the half time it worked. So let's try just a broken lockpick tool. I mean, I think you're getting the point here that it's not the best lock. But I'll tell you what, when I was learning to pick this open, it felt like it was never going to open. It was rough. So I do know that it does open, but I just can't get a good grip on it right now. But that's okay, you get the point. Oh, this is gonna drive me nuts. Oh, there we go. Alright, so, I mean, there was nothing to base that off of. It was literally a broken pick. So, I think you get the point. So cheers to you, Master Lock, to being my first quote-unquote picked lock that was not a clear acrylic lock. So, alright, that's all I have for you now. Like and subscribe, and you can see more of these videos. If you have any ideas, just post them in the comments below, and I'll see you another time.